Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. I have yesterday's 10 by 10, although it looks like a 12 by 12 to me at the moment. I'm pretty sure it's a 10 by 10. And I've got some leftover colors that I added some gold and some color shifting purple and some pink enamel from, oh, I don't know, it's probably deco art. It could have been folk art, but the turquoise is a generic and I've added golden iridescent pearl to it, fine. And I'm going to take one of my little scoops, or maybe not such a little scoop, something I made out of a piece of packaging. And I've got a smaller one right here, but I don't think I want to use the smaller one. And what I do want to do is take some of that paint and put it across in a couple of positions. And then I will just have to see what happens when I put a little bit of black enamel down the center. And if I like what's happening, I'll do some more of it. And if I don't, I won't. So I'm going to give myself a little bit of gold here. Just enough to swipe through. I'm going to knock the little residual off my card. I think I should have used a little more gold, but I'm not sure what I'm going to get yet. It might not be something anybody ever sees. I'm going to knock those colors off. Just going to drag that right down the side. So I'm still not super happy with that. So I'm going to take some of my color and see what's going to happen over here. And now I get to make up my mind what else I want to do. So I think I'm going to give myself an option. By adding some more colors and some more gold. Not that I'm going to be happy to see those cells go, because those are pretty awesome cells. And I did just make up some enamel in pink. And I think that's what I'm going to use to see if I can make some cells with the gold. And I want to experiment, see what happens with the turquoise, because I know turquoise and pink often make blue. I've got a little tiny swipe card. Oh, yep, that's the enamel, all right. And if I like it enough, it is making cells and it's showing the gold through. That's pretty nice. I don't mind that, that's different. I may still do something back to the middle again. I'm very happy that that's showing through. Makes me think I could have done it more places. I didn't leave very much pink on this side, and I definitely left a lot on that side. So I'm just going to swipe through again. I hope it looks similar. So I like that enough to do it in the middle, because why not? Do stuff because I can, and that's my MO. That's also the name of my first book under Show More on the Amazon link in blue. Should I use a bigger? Yes, I should. I should use a bigger swipe card. And hopefully this will also make this go further. Well, I've got all this wonderful color. I have no idea what to do with it. It's not doing anything for me right where it is. Just makes me want to swipe right through the middle with something really obnoxious. At this point, I'm not sure anybody's ever going to see this video. So what? So do something bizarre. That's what. Find a nice clean sheet. Still not getting any particular awesomeness, but it could still happen, I suppose, if I don't give up. That's a color shifting orange from Folk Art. I'm not super duper thrilled with it at the moment. I'm not sure what I'm doing at all. I just want some of that blue, and I've wanted some of it in there since yesterday, and so I guess I'm going to put it in there and see what happens. And maybe at some point in time I'll decide I like this. I hope so. But there is always black enamel and gold, of which I have great faith and confidence, as long as I find the right size swipe card. Will always give me new cells. Blend that middle. I'm liking it better than I liked it. I'm just going to keep going. Adding things that I think I might like. And I could honestly just leave that right like it is and be okay with it. Or I could grab my little swipe card, pull it down, and know that it's kind of sheer, and it'll definitely be iridescent because that's a color shifting purple from Folk Art. It makes me want to do the same thing to the middle. I love that you can see through that. I hope it stays that way. So now at least I've gone back to the colors that I love, and I'm really actually pretty happy with the patina on that. The only thing I'm not super happy with is that I don't see any of the cells on this side that I saw on the other side. So I suspect, and I hope I'm right, that if I give myself another little dab of black enamel, drag that out, that I will get cells. And I do see cells. That's cool. Yeah, I'm much happier with this. I was extremely dubious for a minute, for sure. And I'm so not done giving myself permission to do stuff. Let go. Just the slightest amount of pressure. And it's blue and purple, so it's all set. Wow, that's actually, I actually really love that. So thank you very much for tuning me in. Please share my videos. Thank you for watching them longer and giving me better placement on YouTube. Thank you for shopping the Teespring video. This Teespring link below, show more. Underneath the video, actually it's above show more, to be honest with you. And all over print leggings and t-shirts. Check out Facebook, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group. For students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery totes and more. If you're shopping, Fine Art America or Pixels.com, the Shop Now button will bring you there. I love this double layer effect. I think it's very cool, and these are the oil slick colors that I love. It's not the same identical on both sides, but it's a very organic piece. So I have crib sheet. Check your notifications. Please subscribe if you want to. My channel playlists have 1,310 videos on them, so you can find them by going to all playlists and then created playlists, and you'll find genres like orbs or spirals or swipes or landscapes or fantasy, or there should be 12 lists of 100 and one list being populated, something like that anyway. There is a drawing every single month, and if you're interested in winning a choice or one of the paintings offered, it will tell you which situation that is if you watch the video, the exhibition video on the end screens of any video. Yeah, I did. I just wanted to break up that hard line, but I think I'm okay. I love you guys. I hope you come again. Check my community board for tomorrow's video or Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation. And if you're looking for what I have edited for the wet and dry artworks that are priced and for sale on Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors, you can use my email address. It's right below the video if you're interested in making a purchase or you have any questions. You can also address your questions to me right on the comments section of YouTube, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you guys for the wonderful comments, by the way, and thank you for the contributions that have kept me painting. The minimum donation is $10 to get into the contest. Excuse me, not a contest, definitely a drawing. It should be, the next one should be the third week in April. Please give me a thumbs up, and know that you can shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you under Show More, under the video. Also under the video is my paint pouring recipe, Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links. I'm not sure what I forgot. There's always something, but I never forget to tell you I love you and how much I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I'll see you on. Hey, binge watch some videos, would ya? I know you're stuck at home.